So here we go again with another lift off episode. Currently making progress gradually, and it's kind of excited about the progress I've made. So I moved to another environment, which is I think Pine Valley, and has been practicing for a couple of days now. Currently, I have about 11 hours flight time in the lift-off simulator. The problem with this basic environment is the leaves and the trees, being around everywhere. It's hard navigating around, and I kind of like struggled a bit trying to dodge them without hitting. Interestingly, when you hit in this one, I don't know, maybe it's an update, the recent update, because when you hit in this one, you kind of like lose your blades, and when they get damaged, it has to reset. So actually taking damage in this one is as bad as probably it's going to be in real life. But yeah, I managed to dodge all of it without having to spoil any blades in this one, and the flight time was relatively lower compared to when I started playing, when I started going through this environment. So I try to move as slow as possible so that I don't have to overcorrect myself when I'm about to hit something and damage something, or get confused or whatnot. And so I just try to move slowly as possible, heading towards the checkpoints and then just passing through them as smoothly as possible. Yeah. I am also able to kind of counter correct myself relatively better than when I started. So I'm able to fix my movement to the left and right without having to go overboard in terms of trying to correct myself. I also try to not hit any of the leaves, as it indicates some damage to the blades, and I think affects how the blades react and how responsive they are when trying to fly. So avoiding them as much as possible, it's a good thing. So I ended it and managed to fly through all the checkpoints without hitting anything. Another exciting progress for me. Currently making progress and happy to see myself start doing maneuvers and stuff like that in coming episodes. See you. Bye.